Alright, ladies and gentlemen, just got my downpipes in for my f10 M5. I'm gonna be headed over to a local exhaust shop and I'm gonna go ahead and try to get these bad boys on today. Done a couple downpipes on the N54, but of course it's a whole different platform, so essentially should be pretty straightforward, but you know how those things go. It takes a little longer than usual, but we're gonna get right to it, and I'm gonna give you guys a good video footage of what needs to be done, how we're gonna do it, and hopefully you guys can learn from my experience. All right, talk to y'all soon. Some quick points when doing this. You're gonna need a deep 22 socket with the open end to be able to get these bad boys out. You can find that in any exhaust shop. And then you want to go ahead and these are just simple grommets that attach to this bracket here. And this bracket has four T25 or T30 screws. T30 screws, I'm sorry. On both sides. Disconnect this bad boy with some clips. And then you want to take the small shield off right there. It's one screw. And then I think in order to take this bad boy out, it's hot, you gotta take those two screws out on each side. And you should be good to go. I've probably been working on it for about 40 minutes right now, so this is really not that bad. Alright, once you take this three screw out, you're gonna have to like pry it out basically because it's like welded on there. Shouldn't be that hard. You're gonna have the two O2 still attached. And then right now it's gonna take off these bracket bolts down there on each side. And then I've been arguing. And see how that does. Ooh, it's a headache getting them out. You gotta pry them out. I bought some eBay ones from supposedly a Pace and Creedmoor, but they ship from Shanghai, but it seems to be pretty good right now. I'm gonna have a mechanic tie in the bottom. I mean, like getting on the lips too much. But in the bottom is just 4 screws, man, and that should be a done job. I'm gonna show you guys some video and footage from the top. This thing right here is making a headache to get it out. That's it. And then on the new one, it was kind of not fitting right, so I actually ended up having to cut one of the brackets, and it fit perfectly. And you're not really gonna need it; they're so lightweight, it doesn't really matter. But yep, finishing up here. It's been about 5 hours. A lot of it's waiting time, just kind of disassembling everything, making sure everything's good, and we're gonna get back to it.